3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Plus there's a bonus little room that he uses as a man cave for his office space. Nice neighborhood, consistently nice homes throughout. Cute little front patio area. Backyard has the swimming pool. Brick and wood siding. The pool has a pool liner. And then you have a nice little storage shed back here. Hot tub off of the primary bedroom with the sliding doors there. Quiet backyard. Very inviting and low maintenance. The front entrance kind of has this foyer area. 3 bedrooms down that hallway. The front door is to my back, so when you walk in, you see views of the fireplace and the living room. There's extra built-ins on the left side of the fireplace. Pretty open layout with the dining room off of the living room. Move in ahead to the kitchen. Granite countertops, your electric oven or electric stove range. You've got double ovens. Very nice. Stainless dishwasher, double sink. The refrigerator is stainless steel and should stay if you put it in the contract or offer. You've got a bonus room off the kitchen here. This is a nice food pantry door, extra storage and overflow. Coat closet. Straight ahead is the garage door. 2-car door to the side yard. And then he uses this space as his man cave, but it could be an office or storage overflow or whatever you need it for. The dining room is right off of the kitchen. Good size, very bright. And I'll go check out the living room. You also have a little extra space here if you needed to store a piano or a desk. It might fit very nicely there since it's a rectangular shaped living room. The fireplace is wood burning. Okay, going through to the 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 has a ceiling fan, a nice sized closet. Bedroom number 2. Also a decent sized closet. This is vinyl or laminate flooring. And the flooring here is tile, so very low maintenance. Got extra storage to the right. Your washer and dryer space. Straight ahead's the primary bedroom. You have your hall bathroom. Very nice. This one has the tub shower combination. bedroom. Again, the sliding door is going to the hot tub. Walk-in closet and vanity area built in. Decent size walk-in. Nice tiled shower and toilet room. So the closet was the door to the right of the vanity and the shower was the door to the left of the vanity. And the view from the master sliding window.